The Benz S560 was brought in to repair a few scratches on the hood, and we charged $100 for the repair and completed the job in 30 minutes. As you can see, there are scratches on the hood. To start, first tape the scratches with paper tape so that the sandpaper does not get around when sanding. For example, the steel or chrome parts that are likely to be damaged. Mat the scratches with 1500 grit sandpaper. Prepare the appropriate paint according to the car's color code. In the first step, fill in the inside of the stone-chipped areas. Just don't fill too much so that it stands out. After the first step, in 3 steps with an interval of 5 minutes, apply the paint with a bank card on those areas until it is completely flush with the body. Finally, dry the paint with a hair dryer. At this stage, you need to work sensitively and remove excess paint with 2500 grit sandpaper. Open the hood to make it easier to polish the edges of the hood. Now finish the job with a single polishing step.